The app library on your iPad shows all the apps you have installed in one place, automatically grouped into groups like productivity and finance, creativity, games, etc. You get to it by swiping left past all your home screen pages. If that is too much work, you can place it on the dock. That way, it's just a single tap away. At the top, you'll find your recently added apps. Other sections are category groups you can tap to expand and view all apps in them. But when a category only has 4 apps, tapping an icon opens the app. So does tapping the big icons when there's more than 4 apps in that category. You can scroll through all the apps on your iPad to find an app. They're organized alphabetically, which is quite straightforward. It's faster to just search for an app though. For even quicker access to apps, you can move them to the home screen. You can still find the app in your app library because putting them on the home screen just creates a copy of the app, not move it away from the app library.